Serger overlock machines are essential for professional quality garment finishing, seam strength, and durable edge finishes. They excel at finishing fabric edges, creating rolled hems, and handling knits with differential feed to prevent stretching or puckering. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 Sergers across a price range from budget to premium, focusing on build quality, threading ergonomics, stitch versatility.
List number 1. Brother Serger. The 1034D is a long-standing, budget-friendly workhorse with a solid metal frame, 1,300 stitches per minute, and a removable trim trap. It ships with 3 snap-on feet, standard, gathering, blind stitch, and includes a basic but functional threading system with color-coded guides and a lower looper threading path. This model leans into straightforward, no-frills serging, suitable for improving finish quality on home sewing projects without overwhelming the user with options. Performance-wise, the 1034D delivers reliable 3 or 4 thread overlock with denim handling capabilities, and a straightforward pedal-controlled speed. The metal frame contributes to stability, but the machine's accessory set and lack of advanced features, e.g. differential feed customization beyond basic use, mean it shines for standard garment hemming and edge finishing, rather than complex knits or decorative stitching. Real-world use benefits include quick setup, predictable stitching, and the convenience of a dedicated, affordable workhorse for hobbyists upgrading from a basic domestic machine. Notable considerations include the absence of an LCD or advanced thread tracking aids, which can slow threading for first-time sergers.
List number 2. Singer X5004 HD Metal Frame Serger. The Singer X5004 HD offers 2, 3, and 4 thread capabilities with 8 built-in stitches, a robust metal frame, and a high-speed rating of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. It emphasizes versatility with a larger cutting knife and adjustable differential feed, designed to handle a range of fabrics from knits to heavy fabrics. The included accessory kit is comprehensive, and the machine features 2 LED lights to improve visibility during threading and stitching. Performance-wise, the X5004 HD's 60% larger cutting knife is a standout feature for sewers working with thick materials, contributing to cleaner edges and reduced fabric drag. The adjustable differential feed helps manage puckering on knits and gathered effects on lightweight fabrics, while the full set of accessories stored inside the cloth plate ensures quick, organized setup. Users will appreciate the stability of the metal frame and the broader stitch options for finish and seam work. A potential drawback is that at 15.53 pounds, it's not the lightest option for portable setups, and some users may desire more built-in LED lighting or an automatic tension system.
List number 3. Milpunti MLD42 Metal Frame Serger Overlock Sewing Machine. The MLD42 presents a 12-stitch set with 2, 3, 4 thread capabilities and a solid 1,300 stitches per minute. It emphasizes organized accessory storage and a waste collector system to keep the workspace tidy. Manufactured under the Nechi umbrella and designed for US voltage 120 volts, this model targets users seeking a versatile, user-friendly serger with an emphasis on organized setup and straightforward operations. Performance-wise, the MLD42's higher stitch count options and integrated accessory kit support a wide range of projects, from decorative edges to reinforced seams on denim. The differential feed and free arm design support tricky areas like armholes and hems, while the included tools, 2 needle packs, Allen key, brushes, and a waste collector reduce setup friction. However, some may find the lack of explicit price transparency a limitation for budgeting, and the absence of detailed threading illustrations in the spec sheet could introduce a steeper learning curve for first-time users.
List number 4. Brother ST4031 HD Serger. The ST4031 HD is positioned as a strong and tough serger with a metal frame, 1,300 stitches per minute, and a large extension table to support larger projects. It ships with 3 feet, standard, blind stitch, and gathering, and a wide array of included accessories.
The emphasis is on durability for heavy-duty projects and easier handling of bulky fabrics, plus color-coded threading guides for efficient setup. Performance-wise, the ST4031HD shines in robustness and cut quality thanks to a hardened steel blade and stable frame that reduce vibration. The extra-large extension table expands work surface for quilting, garment hems, and home decor tasks. The combination of easy threading with color-coded guides, plus the included trim trap, makes routine tasks faster. Potential downsides included slightly larger footprint and a price that sits toward the higher end of the budget range, which may be a consideration for space-constrained setups.
List number 5. Serger HD 500S Heavy-Duty Serger Overlock Sewing Machine. The Serger HD 500SS sits at the premium end of this selection, with a 20% more powerful motor, 1,300 stitches per minute, and a 2, 3, 4 thread capability across 6 stitch types. It adds LED lighting, a differential feed, a removable free arm, and a dedicated storage compartment. It also includes a free Creativate app for manuals, quick starts, tutorials, and troubleshooting, which is a modern value add for beginners and pros alike. Performance-wise, the HD 500SS emphasizes speed with stronger piercing power on thick fabrics like denim and canvas. The LED-enabled lower looper threading and color-coded paths improve visibility during setup, while the free arm expands project versatility. The 6-stitch set offers a balanced mix of seams, rolled hems, and decorative edges. A potential caveat is that despite the premium price, some users may desire even more automatic tensioning or a broader lighting system for low-light work, though the app integration adds overall value and support.